Wife, lovely wife, and three kids. And please will help me welcome Toastmaster to the stage.
How many of you are husbands here? I mean married men. Most of the people. Thank you. As a husband, you should know that everything you say and do will be recorded for the quality and training purpose. Good evening, Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmasters, and wonderful guests. Good evening. The first day after the wedding, I woke up in the morning before my wife. I woke up and I was like, today is my wife's first day in this house. I will make her first tea in this house. You know, romantic, first time. I woke up, I made tea, took out the biscuits and snacks, kept flowers alongside, and when my wife woke up, I gave it to her. When she took her first sip, she was like, wow, you made a fantastic tea. Now it's been 16 years after that, still I am making that tea. But me and my wife always compromise. I admit I am wrong, she agrees with me, always. We went to Agra, New Delhi to see Taj Mahal. We were staying overnight. I woke up in the next morning, as usual before my wife. By mistake, I made tea only for me and drank it. I told you by mistake. When my wife woke up, she asked, dear tea. I said, I'm sorry, I already had mine. No problem, I will make it for you. She said, no, I need that tea. How it is possible? No, I need it. She said again. I said, dear, it's not logical. You should not talk about logic. That day you came 3 hours late. I waited for you. Did I eat your food? Another day, you came 2 hours late. I waited for you. Like this, we had a fight. I came to realize that marriage is a relationship in which one is always right and the other one is husband. We spent more time for fighting without any reason. We saw the entire Taj Mahal without talking to each other. Even Shah Jahan must be thinking from the grave that these people don't deserve this. Like this, we spend more time for fighting without any valid reason. So, for the newlyweds, there should be an argument with newlyweds. If someone sees them from outside, their faces are red, eyes are red, so they get to know these people are fighting. But no one get to know about ourselves, because we have become professionals. Even if you are having in a massive fight, we will normalize when someone rings the doorbell. So if someone comes from outside, see, we are normal, not fighting. So this is the template for our fight. Now, we know it will last for 3 to 2 hours. Our fight will continue for 3 to 2 hours. So we have a template now. She's going to say this one, I will say this one, and then she will say another one, and then I will say another one. Then we won't talk for 3 hours. Now, one more thing changed. When we were married, firstly, 16 years back, our 3 magic words were, I love you. Now, our 3 magic words are, I told you. The only animal that a lion is afraid of is his lady lioness. So, if you are afraid of your lady, that means you are a lion. Proud of yourself and congratulations those who raise your hands firstly. I would like to conclude with a positive point that husband and wife relationships are just like the relationship of Tom and Jerry. Though they are fighting and teasing each other, they cannot live without each other. The best couple doesn't mean no fight. The fight should be there, we fight. After that, we will compromise and we will excuse to each other. So this is life. Anyhow, my wife still with me saying I love you rarely and I told you mostly. Back to you, Toastmasters.
We amused.